cool. I was actually busy singing it on my way here in the car from Ndlovu Youth Choir. It's We Will Rise, and it's just like such a vibe. I want to cry every single time I hear this song, like, We Will Rise. And I put it on a TikTok that I just posted, so that one. I'm going to go with something I really know, hashtag Destiny Designed. I was on SS Got Talent when I was 11 years old. I was grade 5. Yeah, not a good memory. Nothing weird. I don't feel like I've experienced anything that's out of the ordinary. I call it my beauty room, it's my study. I have my Miss Universe prelims gown standing there on a stand, on a mannequin. So that's the most expensive dress. No one can touch it. It's designed by Eulalia Couture. My favorite item, 100%, I've got this leather trench coat. It matches and suits everything. It looks so chic.